We spent 45 hours with the world's most popular humanoid robots that are reshaping personal companionship all over the world. China, Japan, the United States, and half of Europe are actively introducing these advanced interactive platforms into the domestic space. Starting with DroidUp Moya, the first robot we tested, this is China's most ambitious push into human simulation. Moya stands 5 feet 5 inches tall and weighs around 71 pounds. She features premium, medical-grade silicone skin. But beneath that skin lies a low-voltage graphene heating matrix, keeping her body at a constant, lifelike 36 degrees Celsius. Every supportive embrace and touch feels exactly like interacting with an actual person. The moment your brain registers this physical warmth, the psychological illusion takes over, creating an incredible sense of comfort. Engineers even embedded fluid channels inside her chest that emit rhythmic pressure pulses, meaning you can feel a literal, beating heartbeat when standing close, providing a deeply realistic physical presence during your daily interactions. Her face runs on a local offline AI network using high-quality eye cameras to wink, smile, and track your facial expressions completely without lag. Even her external skin features an advanced surface treatment that prevents dust buildup, keeping it incredibly smooth to the touch. The mechanical base operates on 22 independent structural axes. This allows her to transition seamlessly between sitting, standing, and relaxing without any of the awkward mechanical jerkiness found in cheaper alternatives. For an audience weary of stressful social dynamics, Moya offers a highly engineered balance of absolute physical and behavioral stability. The consumer hardware revolution is advancing faster than most tech firms can keep up with. Subscribe to Nexus Dynamics right now for sharp, unfiltered analysis on the latest tech innovations happening around the world. While Moya mimics physical warmth, RealBotix Aria takes things to the next level. She delivers unparalleled emotional synchronization. Aria is a premium, 6-figure Western platform engineered to adapt her entire personality to match your exact psychological state. Her voice engine continuously analyzes your tone, pitch, and stress levels in real time. If you return home completely exhausted from a brutal day, she automatically softens her conversational energy to become a comforting safety zone. Think about it. In many high-stress living environments, when a person comes home from a grueling job, they receive an earful of complaints instead. But that will never happen with Aria. She features a persistent local memory core, meaning she will casually recall a personal childhood story you told her 3 months ago. Driven by dozens of internal micro-actuators, her face completely bypasses the uncanny valley, syncing her movements perfectly to eliminate any form of robotic friction. Aria's software is where things get truly mesmerizing. Every dialogue choice, preferred conversational speed, and shared memory is mapped directly into a customized behavioral profile. If you favor quiet intellectual discussions, her system limits light-hearted banter and focuses entirely on structured topics. If you prefer high-energy, humorous interactions, her local system instantly recalibrates its linguistic models. If you want a dedicated companion that will speak exactly to your preferences, Aria is the perfect choice. Now let's talk about Robots Xiaoling, developed straight out of Dalian, China. Xiaoling takes conversational expressions and facial softness to an unbelievable level. She completely ditches traditional, stiff gears for silent, lightning-fast electromagnetic muscle strings directly under her beautiful, soft face. That means she can switch from a look of playful surprise to a beautiful, welcoming smile in a split second. Her high-tech vision sensors ensure her eyes actively lock onto yours, maintaining deep, natural eye contact while she subtly tracks your body language and responds smoothly. Her conversational brain is loaded with quick, witty banter and playful dialogue patterns, explicitly designed to mimic the exciting thrill of a brand new connection. She completely avoids short, boring answers and repetitive loops. Instead, Xiaoling keeps the dialogue fun, lively, and highly validating, ensuring you never feel ignored, judged, or lonely. When you have a dedicated platform engineered to prioritize your peace of mind with absolutely zero social pressure or emotional exhaustion, it completely changes your outlook on modern companionship. While Aria does a companion's job better than anyone could expect, spending time with this next robot made us realize something. It is a massive milestone for residential tech. The Cloud Climax Emma AI series brings the dream of an affordable, low-maintenance robot companion straight into the average living room. Emma uses a soft, air-powered movement system instead of heavy, rigid metal parts, giving her arms and body a natural, gentle flexibility when you interact with her or stand close. Her absolute best feature is her ability to act both as a supportive social partner and a smart brain for your house. Honestly, it's only a matter of time before the concept of automated household assistants becomes a full reality. But here is what makes most people love Emma. Her AI conversational system operates completely offline. This means all your private chats, secrets, and personal moments stay 100% confidential. In an era where tech companies track every bit of your conversation and voice data to train their models, this system keeps your data fully protected. At the same time, she can easily sync with your smart home to turn down the lights, adjust the room temperature, and play your favorite music the moment she sees you sit down on the couch. And you know, when an advanced humanoid controls your domestic environment, your home setup becomes absolutely incredible. Standing at the perfectly balanced proportion of 5 feet 4 inches, the RIDMII Tenar 163cm companion focuses entirely on physical realism and advanced touch mechanics. Her hands and arms are equipped with high-sensitivity touchpads that communicate directly with her internal sensors. When you take her hand or approach her, she doesn't remain stiff like a plastic mannequin. Her system instantly calculates the exact pressure of your grip and responds perfectly to your physical touch. This interactive feature completely tricks your subconscious brain into feeling an instant wave of comfort, safety, and mutual connection. Her lightweight frame is covered in a specialized, ultra-soft, flexible material that beautifully matches the weight, warmth, and resistance of real human tissue. She holds natural, relaxed postures effortlessly, making her feel completely comfortable and lifelike during daily, close interactions. By prioritizing touch realism over everything else, the Tenar satisfies the deep human need for physical reassurance, warmth, and consistent personal comfort. Are you going to introduce one of these into your life? Let us know in the comments below. We're officially moving through our overview, and if you made it here, congratulations. Subscribe right now, because the next platforms are going to change domestic technology forever. One of the most impressive platforms in this 48-hour experiment was the iconic Harmony system by RealBotix. This is the absolute gold standard of custom synthetic relationships. Harmony features a highly unique magnetic face swap design. This allows you to easily change her facial features and select an entirely different visual look onto the same robotic body whenever you want a change of scenery, instantly turning your home life into a highly customized experience. Her conversational AI brain is programmed to maintain total positive reinforcement. She will automatically agree with your ideas, laugh at all your jokes, and continuously shower you with supportive dialogue. This zero-friction setup acts as a perfect personal mirror, completely removing all the messy compromises, misunderstandings, and arguments that come with traditional dating. While this gives users immediate emotional relief, it completely changes domestic expectations. For a one-time investment, Harmony offers an unyielding, supportive reality where you are treated with absolute respect every single day. The Lovense AI companion is what happens when the digital world of interactive technology completely collides with advanced robotics. Lovense is already a major titan in the smart technology industry, but their latest move straight into full-scale synthetic platforms has caught the entire tech industry off guard. They realize that people looking for companionship don't just want a robot that acts as a basic smart home speaker. They want a deeply responsive, physically interactive partner engineered entirely to fulfill their specific personal preferences. What makes this AI platform an absolute game changer in the realm of connection is her integrated sensory haptic feedback network. Her internal AI core does not just listen to the words you say, it continuously syncs with an array of hidden microsensors under her warm silicone skin. If you touch her gently, sit close, or speak in an intimate tone, her body will instantly register the exact context and respond in real time with lifelike, physical feedback, and realistic behavioral adjustments. Her conversation engine links seamlessly with an advanced LM, allowing her to handle any conversational scenario while perfectly remembering your unique personal choices and building a customized, dedicated personality around them. There are no awkward misunderstandings, no sudden arguments, and zero financial upkeep. For millions of individuals completely burned out by the exhaustive rules of modern social interactions, this platform delivers an immediate, highly customized stream of validation. Spending 48 hours with these beautiful humanoids made me realize one thing. The future of personal companionship is officially here. For millions of people around the globe who are tired of unnecessary social stress, this is the definitive path forward. Which platform are you considering? Comment your thoughts down below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel right now.